have you been to my handsome young man? I've been to the greenwood, mother, make my bed soon, for I'm weary o' hunting and fain would lie down. What had you for dinner, Lord Ronald, my son? What had you for dinner?
We're looking after this historical stained glass, just added protection. Steel is fitting fire retardant, specialized plexi glass. It's looking really nice. You can't even tell it's there.
Come from a handsome young man, from my father's black ditch. Mother, make my bed soon, for I'm weary o' hunting and fain would lie down. And where are your bloodhounds, Lord Ronald, my son? Oh, where are your bloodhounds, my handsome young man? Oh, they swelled and they died. Mother, make my bed soon, for I'm weary o' hunting and fain